This week on What It Looks Like, we're gonna try another Marie Callender meal. Now they have a lot of meals at Marie Callender, so we're gonna try them all if we can. But this one is country fried chicken and gravy. This is what it looks like. So it looks really good, looks really appetizing. Question is, how will it taste? What will it look like when we make it in the microwave? I can't wait to see. It's gonna be good. I hope it's gonna be good. I've had some Marie Callender meals that were surprisingly not that great. So I'll post one of them right here in the video. Put a description down below. You can definitely check that one out. We're gonna do Marie Callender country fried chicken and gravy. And here's what it says on the box. Breaded white meat chicken patty with creamy mashed potatoes with home-style gravy and corn. So I'm looking forward to it. And as always, we will show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it? Should you wait? Should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, hey, what it looks like? Hey, hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, hey, what it looks like? All right, let's open up the box and see what we have inside. Let's see, the best way to open it would be this way. There we go. All right, everything's all separated. The chicken, the gravy, there's the corn right here. Not bad, not bad. Looks like a pretty good sized piece of chicken too. All right, let's go ahead and cut a slit right in here so it can vent. That's a piece of ice on there. There's a piece of ice underneath it. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so we need to microwave on high for 4.5 minutes. All right, it's time to stir the potatoes. So we gotta kind of move the chicken out of the way, I suppose. I'm not sure how you're supposed to stir it with the chicken sitting right on top of it, but I mean, I guess we'll do our best. That's the best I can get without covering up the chicken. I like how bright the corn looks. The corn looks really yellow, so that's awesome. All right, that's enough there. Now we got to cover it back up again. It says to cook an additional 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. That's a whole minute difference. Oh, that didn't work out good. That just split all apart. There we go. We just cover it up the best that we can cover it up. Don't worry about it too much. There we go. Hey, it's almost back to where it was. Perfect. Yeah, so I don't know why they say 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. Why not just say exactly? That's a whole minute difference. So we'll do 2 minutes. We'll cut it down the middle. So we'll cook an additional 2 minutes. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 1 serving per container. Serving size 1 meal. Calories 410. Total fat 17 grams, saturated fat 6 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 50 milligrams, sodium a whopping 1,100 milligrams, total carbohydrates 48 grams, dietary fiber 4 grams, total sugars 8 grams, protein 15 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is okay, let's start with the chicken first. Notice the breading on the box looks very crispy and almost looks like cornmeal breading. However, in real life, the chicken doesn't really look like it has the same type of coating. It looks non-crispy compared to the box. I do like how you can see some pepper and other seasonings in real life. Now in the box, they look like the potatoes were made by hand with a potato smasher. But in real life, the potatoes are very creamy and do not have a consistency that you normally see when you smash potatoes. For the corn looks pretty much identical to the box, so no complaints with that one. Overall, on the surface, the meal looks similar to the box, but not very similar. In fact, should I expect to see gravy drizzled over my chicken like you see on the box? Now, I would definitely love to see that, but there is no such gravy. Marie, you raised my expectations with the gravy on the chicken, but only to let me down when I had no such gravy. All right, let's see what it smells like. Oh, the chicken actually has some kind of flavor, some seasoning to it. I can definitely smell the seasoning. It smells pretty good actually. The corn smells like the corn smells just like the chicken. You can't tell the difference between the way the corn smells and the way the chicken smells. Let's see what about the potatoes. Everything just kind of smells like the chicken. Now I can smell the corn a little bit, but it mostly smells like chicken. So all in all, it doesn't smell like horrible, but it doesn't smell great either. And overwhelmingly, everything smells like the chicken. Yeah, everything smells like the chicken. Okay, now what it tastes like. Now I can already tell you that when I cut into this chicken, it feels really, really tender, but the crust, the breading also feels like it's really kind of soggy, like it's not gonna be crispy at all. But let's go ahead and try it out. Actually, the flavor tastes really good. I got a hint of freezer burn, a little hint of freezer burn. Just a little, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Now I wish I could get some gravy on the top of it like it shows right here on the box. That would be fantastic. So I don't know where they got that extra gravy from. Because there's no way you can get that in this package right here. But that chicken, it's not bad. It's got some pretty decent flavor to it. All right, let's try the potatoes, because they look a lot fluffier on the box. The potatoes is creamy, but I don't know if I like the way the potatoes taste. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe it. It feels like powdered potatoes. That's what it tastes like. Yeah, I don't really like the potatoes too much. Now, maybe if I took a bite of the chicken with the potatoes, maybe I get more seasoning from the chicken and it make it taste better. But by itself, I don't like the way the potatoes taste. Let's try now. Let's just try the corn by itself. It tastes just like corn. So what you want your corn to taste like corn. So it did a good job on that. The corn has absolutely no flavor. There's no salt, no pepper, no anything on the corn. Almost straight corn right out of a can. But again, I think everything would taste better if you eat it together with the chicken. So let's try a bite of chicken, potatoes, and corn all at the same time. You got some chicken, potatoes, and corn. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it or not. And you got all of it together. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, this is definitely the way to eat it. But the corn, it makes the chicken taste like it has less seasoning, if that makes sense. Like, because the corn is so bland, it's robbing the seasoning and the flavor from the chicken. Which is strange because the chicken by itself actually tasted pretty good, but when you add in the corn with it, it kind of robs the chicken flavor a little bit. So overall, yeah, I could eat it. I could take it for lunch, I guess, and eat it for, at work or something like that. But if I want to have it as a meal, just say, hey, let me find me a good meal that I want to enjoy. It's not going to be this one. It will not be that one. But overall, you can definitely eat it. Just wouldn't recommend it if you're looking for something that's like really, really flavorful and tastes really, really good. This is not it. This is one that you just hungry. It's in the freezer and takes 6 minutes to make. So let me go make it. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. So 5. Next up is taste. 7. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 8. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? Please hit that notification bell right now. And if there is a food product that you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.